Welcome back to my channel. So sorry guys, you're seeing me on glass today. This is Famous Tips and Tutorial. In case you don't know, this is Famous Tips and Tutorial, and in this channel I give you all the YouTube tutorial tips and other tips that you can learn and then implement on your channel to grow, because we're all growing together. So in this video today, I'm kind of overwhelmed. I'm overwhelmed because I'm here to share how much I made, finally monetized, and how much I've made so far since I've been monetized on my channel. Okay, I had a channel, that's my beauty channel, that's where I do all my makeup tutorials and the rest. So I'm here to share with you guys how much I've made so far in that channel. So guys, stick to this video and watch and see how much I've made so far. So guys, finally monetized here on YouTube. How much YouTube paid me so far? Guys, the journey has not been an easy one. Like, I've been on YouTube for a year. Like, I'm feeling myself. I'm so overwhelmed. I know you want to know how much YouTube paid me for 1,000 views. Let's have it a 1,000 view. How much YouTube paid me. With that, I'm going to do more videos on that. So guys, let's continue. So I got monetized like 10 months into the game, because I was given a year to complete 4,000 watch hours. So to get monetized on YouTube, you need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Yes, so that is how much YouTube paid me so far. I'm going to be showing you on the screen one after the other. So guys, when I got monetized, I was signed up for my YouTube, but it was actually so guys, I'm looking all pretty, coming to tell you how much YouTube paid me. Yes, how much YouTube paid me for my effort so far, for all of my content creation so far. My son is actually disturbing in the background. So guys, this is how much I've made so far. I've made super stickers. When I got monetized, it was a half monetization, 500 subscribers with 3,000 watch hours. So my money I've made so far is 0.016 cents. 0.016 dollar. That's cents. I don't even know what to classify it as. And that money came from super sticker. That's super thanks. Someone appreciated me for my video. That is where that money came from. And we are here praying to earn more and more and more. I don't know if you're disappointed with this, how much YouTube paid me money, but I'm here and I'm grateful for that money. I'm grateful because that is to say that my effort is going to yield fruit. Even if it's not going to yield fruit now, even if I'm not seeing the fruit now, I know that the effort is going to yield fruit. It is an opportunity. It is a start. That is to tell you that you're doing something reasonable. Yes, you're doing something here and somebody is watching and somebody appreciates you. And so it was someone too that gifted me that super thing. And that is enough. That is everything to be grateful for. And I'm grateful for you, that person. I'm grateful for you, my subscribers, that have been supporting me. So guys, if you're here on YouTube, you're about to give up, and I implore you not to give up. Do not give up on this YouTube journey. Do not give up today. Do not give up tomorrow. And I'm here telling you guys not to give up, because you're going to see the result in the long run. We're all going to cash out on this YouTube space. We're all going to cash out. So no need to give up along the way. Me, as I'm here, I'm not going to give up. I'm not giving up today. I'm not giving up today. I'm not giving up anytime soon. I'm going to be here giving you guys tutorials and tips back to back. So guys, thank you so much. I know that you're able to get encouraged through all these tips I give you. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, share this video, and drop a beautiful comment for me. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much. I'll see you again on another video. Bye.